How to change language on Microsoft Edge browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Microsoft Edge. This is the home page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is click here on those three dots and go down, choose settings, as you can see. Now after you click on settings, all what you have to do is simple. It will take you directly to this page, and all what you have to do is so simple. Just go right here and click down here on languages. After you click on languages, go here, and now you can add a language from here, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.